Maria, you have hiccups! Here you go, try drinking some of this.
Thank you, João.
Maria, you still haven't improved. Well, the technique of pasting paper to your forehead always works. All done. No way, you still have the hiccups?
I think so.
I know.
Oh, this paper doesn't work.
Maria! Hey, relax, it's me, JP. I just wanted to try scaring you to get the hiccups out.
It worked! My hiccup is over! Yeah!
That's great, Maria Clara.
Oh, João, now you have the hiccups. Drink this. Doesn't work. Oh, I have one idea. Hey, boy, do you know a girl named Maria Clara?
Thanks for the try, but my hiccups aren't going away.
Aren't you scared of this ugly face?
Mm-mm.
Okay, guys, this is gonna scare JP for sure. I'm gonna put on this costume and scream out, "João, the alien is trying to take me to space!" It will be so funny. Guys, look at this costume! And look at these! These are inflatable legs. They're filled with air. See, air. And this is my real leg. Look, it's my foot. Look how I can dance with these. I doubt JP won't heal from the hiccup with this big scare.
Oh man, every time I hiccup, I miss the button to press. Oh no, I dropped my controller.
João, help me! This alien got me! Help me, help me, help me! Save me, João! Help me, help me!
Wow, Maria, likely story. Thanks for the try, but it doesn't work.
If scare doesn't help, let's go crazy for you to laugh. La 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 la. Ouch! I died. La la da 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 da. I know JP is afraid of witches. Because of that, he never wants to go out on Halloween. So I'm dressed as a witch. And I'm going to do my beautiful makeup. Now, I'm going to put purple under my eye because witches have dark circles. Now I just need the witch nose, right? Done! I'm very beautiful! JP! I'm the witch, and I'll turn you into a frog. Come here, JP. I want to turn you into a frog.
Huh? Is that a witch? Ah!
Come here, JP.
Oh no, no, it's getting close! I have no way out!
Come on, I got you! Ah! Shoo!
Maria, it was you after all of this time?
I'm sorry, Joao! I wanted to give you this scare for your hiccup to pass, and passed. You are no longer with the hiccups.
Wow, Maria, I think you're right. You healed me.
Yeah!